Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn Unit 7 Directions and Time, Chapter 17 Directions. Let's start this chapter with the short poem. Jump, jump, jump to your right. Now to your left. 1, 2, 3. Move in front. Don't look back. Move, move, move. 1, 2, 3. Look at the back. Smile at the front. Who is behind? 1, 2, 3. So students, can you guess what does the word in the red tell us? Let us know more about it. To go to any place, we need to know where it is located. Left, right, up, down, in front, back, etc. are the words that tell us about directions. They tell us where a person, place, or a thing is. Now let's read the chapter. Unit 7 Directions and Time. Chapter 17 Directions. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. In the evening, the sun sets in the west. If we face the sun at sunrise, we are facing the east direction. Behind us is the west. To our left is the north, and to our right is the south. North, south, east, and west are the four main directions. We follow directions in order to go to a place. Front, behind, left, and right are the common words we use to locate something or some place. Sitting inside the classroom, we can say that the teacher is in front of us. The cupboard is to our left and the window is to our right. The blackboard is behind the teacher. Hence, we must learn to use the right words to give or follow directions. We follow directions in order to go to a place. Usually, we use directions like left, right, and straight. So students, now let's see what is the meaning of direction. Direction is a line towards which a person or thing moves or faces. Now let's see words that explain the directions correctly. For example, front, back, below, under, up, down, near, far, behind, top, left, right. There are four main directions: east, west, north, and south. Now let's see how can we find directions by looking at the sky. So students, look at the picture. The sun helps to find the directions. The sun rises in the east in the morning and sets in the west in the evening. So students, now let's see how to find out the directions. Stand early in the morning facing sun. Stretch your both arms as shown in the picture. Now your face is towards the east and your back is towards the west. Your right hand points towards the south and left hand points towards the north. The knowledge of direction help us to locate things in our neighborhood, town, or city. Students, always remember the east is opposite to the west and the north is opposite to the south. Now let's see some points to remember. Directions: line towards which a person or thing moves or faces. North, direction on the left hand side while facing the sun. South, direction on the right hand side while facing the sun. East, direction in front of us while facing the sun. West, direction behind us while facing the sun. So students, have you understood directions? Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye. Take care. Good morning, my dear students. Do you remember in last lecture what we have learned? Yes, you are right. Directions. Which are the main directions? East, west, north and south. Very good, my dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 18, day and night. So let's read the chapter. Chapter 18, day and night. The position of the sun in the sky tells us about the time of the day. A day is divided into morning, noon, afternoon, evening and night. People in olden days could tell the time of the day by looking at the sun in the sky. We wake up when the sun is rising. We call it morning. We get up and get ready. When the sun is right above our head, it is midday or noon. The time between noon and evening is called afternoon. The sun starts setting after this time. Evening is the just time before the sun sets. It is the time for us to play or to do homework. After the sunset, it begins to get dark. This is called night. We cannot see the sun in the sky. At night, we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. Time. We can tell the time by reading clocks and watches. A day is divided into 24 hours. Every hour has 60 minutes. Every minute has 60 seconds. We can see numbers 1 to 12 marked on the clock. The clock has 3 hands, a long hand for minutes and a short hand for hours. There is another thin long hand which is for the second. Days and months. 7 days make 1 week. A year has 365 days. See students, here 1 month is there, July 2020. Can you see this? And it has 31 days. Months, number of days. January has 31 days. February 28, 29 days. March 31 days. April 30 days. May 31 days. June 30 days. July 31 days. August 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. December 31 days. A year is divided into 12 months. There are 366 days in a leap year. In a leap year, February has 29 days. A leap year comes once in every 4 years. Now, let's start the chapter. The position of the sun in the sky tell us what time of a day it is. When the sun rises, we call it morning. It is the time to get ready for the school, isn't it, student? When the sun is high in the sky, directly over our head, we call it midday or noon. It is the time to go back from school. Then the sun begins to set in the west. The time of the sunset is called evening. Soon it becomes dark. We see the moon and stars in the sky. We call it night. Students, what do we do at night? Yes, you are right. We sleep at night. Now, let's learn more about time. In olden days, people used to guess the time by looking at the sun. But the sun cannot tell us the accurate time. So, we use clocks and watches to know more about the accurate time. A clock has a second hand and minute hand and a hour hand. It tells us time in minutes, hours and seconds. Now let's learn more about hours, minutes and seconds. A day has 24 hours. 1 hour has been divided into 60 minutes and 1 minute has been divided into 60 seconds. Lastly, we are going to learn about weeks, months and years. There are 7 days in a week. Which are they? Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Children, do you know there are 4 weeks in a month? And there are 365 or 366 days in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Which are they? Yes, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So students, have you understood this video? Thank you. Bye. Take care. Good morning my students. In last lecture we have learnt about day and night. Today we are going to learn chapter 19, the seasons. Children, do you know what is the meaning of season? Let me tell you. When the weather remains the same for more than 1 month, that period is called a season. For example, April to June, weather is hot. So children, tell me which season it is? Yes, summer season. Similarly, December to February, weather is cold. So which season it is? Yes, winter season. Children, do you know in our country there are 5 seasons in a year? Summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. Before knowing more about these seasons, let's read the chapter. Chapter 19, the seasons. We know that there are 12 months in a year. Some months are hot and some months are cold. Some months are neither hot nor cold. Some months are rainy. When the weather remains the same for more than 1 month, that period is called a season. There are 3 main seasons in India. Summer or the hot season from April to June. Monsoon or the rainy season from June to September. Winter or the cold season from December to February. During summer, the air is very warm. The days are long and the nights are short. We wear light and loose cotton clothes. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners. We enjoy having cold drinks, lassi and ice cream. In the monsoon or rainy season, there are dark clouds in the sky. the rain comes pouring down. We use umbrellas, gumboots, and raincoats to protect ourselves from the rain. In winter, the days are short and the nights are longer. Cold wind blows. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Some places receive snowfall during winter. In the months of October and November, the weather is neither hot nor cold. This is called the autumn season. During this time, you will find many dried leaves on the ground. This is because most trees shed their leaves during this time. March is the month of spring. The weather is neither hot nor cold. Again, the trees are full of flowers and new leaves. In some parts of India, it is the harvest season. Classroom activity. Draw and color the picture of a bird that loves the rain. It is the national bird of India. So which picture you draw here? Yes, picture of the peacock. Seasons. Do you know about seasons? Here are some pictures where you can see me in different seasons. Let us learn about all of them. Oh, what a beautiful sunny day! But the weather is too hot. Can you name which season is this? Summer season. We wear light cotton clothes in summer season like frock, t-shirt and shorts. We like to drink lots of water and liquids to beat the heat like juice, water and ice cream. Things which we use during summer season are air conditioner, fan, sunglasses, hat. We also like to visit the places like sea beach to have fun and enjoy the cool breeze. Isn't it, students? Oh, it's raining again. Do you know which season is this? Yes, you are right. Rainy season. Rainy season is also called as monsoon season. Things which we use in rainy season are umbrella, raincoat, boots. I even like to play with paper boats in rain. Do you like to play with paper boats? Yes. In this season, the trees shed their leaves. Can you name the season? Yes, autumn season. In this season, it's neither too hot nor too cold. It is also the time when the days get shorter and the nights longer. Oh, the weather is so cold. I can see a snowman. Can you name the season? Winter season. Things which we use in winter season are sweater, woolen cap, muffler. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. I can see a beautiful Christmas tree. Winter season is also a time for celebrating Christmas. During winter, cold wind blows, isn't it, students? Can you see the beautiful flowers blooming everywhere? Do you know which season is this? Spring season. Spring is also known as the king of all seasons. Children, can you name all the seasons again? Summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season and spring season. Very good, my dear students. So have you understood seasons? Thank you. Bye. Take care.